I just took the skin off the fish, and I have, for the first time, I've seen this in the Asian market, coconut powder. The easiest way to do it is like that, but I like to shoot short videos, so wait for it. These silicone brushes are magic. Put way too much, but the fish was wet. Look how nicely it coats. Gonna let it sit there for a minute and bind with the moisture on the fish. Then we'll flip it over and do the other side. I did the other side, and I like to cut the fish like this. I'm gonna cook it one side and then flip the other side twice. Don't want too much of the powder to fall off. That looks good. Some of the fish is falling apart though. Always put the fatter side towards the center of the pan. Alright, wait for it. All that extra powder, don't let it go to waste. Some of the spots went bare. And this coconut powder was not very expensive. Alright, time for the fire. Amazing, right? Time for the fire. I'm starting to smell the burny. Most chefs know you cook by the smell. Ooh, nice. Oh, making a mess. Houston, we have a problem. Look at that caramelization. Back to the fire. A little messy though. I'm starting to smell the burny. I think it's about less than 2 minutes. Shut the fire. Oops, I'm sorry. Look at that. Perfect. I'm going to flip the other one and wait for it. It's a little bit more than 2 minutes. I'm using the heat of the pan to finish cooking. Nice caramelization, right? Alright, we'll give it another couple minutes. It's not sizzling anymore, so wait for it. And we're all done. First time I'm doing this. We're going to leave it that way. It's still hot. Wow, look at that. It's so moist. Medium rare. This is how I like fish, not the way you go to a restaurant and get it. Amazing. Look at that. Melts in your mouth. That's a term. Actually, we have to pull that apart. And the word for the day is succulent. Delicious. Alright, that's my dinner. Tried something new. I always try to do things that no one's ever done, and hey, wow. Love it.